A 911 emergency call comes in. Every second matters. But this time, the first responder isn't working alone. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence helps first responders make faster, safer decisions during emergencies.
This documentary explores one possible future inspired by today's advances in AI, robotics, and public safety technology.
In this vision of 2040, AI assists trained officers with information, coordination, and rapid response, while people remain in control.
Could intelligent technology make communities safer, while helping officers respond more effectively? Let's step inside America's imagined AI-assisted police department and explore what the future of public safety might look like. Inside the department, every emergency begins with one mission: helping officers respond faster when every second counts.
Advanced AI instantly analyzes incoming information, helping dispatch teams understand the situation more quickly.
On the streets, trained officers remain in charge, while AI provides navigation, traffic updates, and critical support. During large public events, intelligent systems help monitor traffic flow and identify potential safety concerns for human review. When lives are on the line, technology can deliver information in seconds, but trained professionals make the final decisions. But if AI can help officers protect communities more effectively, what could public safety look like by 2040? Imagine a missing child report. Every minute matters, and AI helps search teams cover more ground faster. Smart drones provide a wider view from above, giving officers more information, while they coordinate the search on the ground. During natural disasters, intelligent robots could enter hazardous areas first, helping emergency teams assess dangerous conditions.
AI can process large amounts of information in seconds, giving first responders valuable support when time is critical.
But technology alone doesn't protect communities. Trust, training, and human judgment will always matter. If AI can help save precious time during emergencies, how might it reshape public safety in the years ahead? No matter how advanced AI becomes, one principle never changes. Human officers remain responsible for every critical decision. AI delivers information in seconds, but experience, judgment, and accountability always belong to trained professionals. The strongest public safety system isn't built by humans or AI alone. It's built by trusted teamwork. Every new technology must earn public trust through transparency, responsibility, and careful oversight. The future of policing isn't about replacing people. It's about giving dedicated officers better tools to protect their communities. As AI continues to evolve, one question remains: how can technology make communities even safer while keeping people at the center? The future of public safety won't be defined by technology alone. It will be shaped by the people who use it responsibly. Artificial intelligence may help emergency teams respond faster, coordinate better, and protect communities more effectively. But the greatest strength will always be the partnership between skilled professionals and intelligent technology. Every breakthrough begins with one idea, and every safer future begins with one responsible decision. If AI could help protect your community in the future, where would you want it to help first? This is NextGen Future, exploring tomorrow through today's innovations. Subscribe and join us as we imagine the future, one documentary at a time.